So hi there everyone, this is Margaret Klein with eXp Realty coming to you live from 6310 Alleghany Avenue in Cocoa. I want to give a big shout out to Yenyun Lee, the listing agent, for allowing me to do some video here today. We're going to go ahead and go inside, give you a quick span of the neighborhood. Super nice area. And get back to the house. Got a metal roof on here. This is a 1990 home. It's 1133 square feet. We did just have a new metal roof installed in July of 2024. We're going to jump in here to the garage. Now this garage goes straight to the outside. It does not go into the house at all. So just to give you a good span of the garage. Alrighty, and we've got fresh painted interior, hardwood cabinets in the kitchen with self-close hardware, quartz countertop, Mosaic Backsplash. AC was put in 2018, stucco painted 2018, water heater 2020, new plumbing in 2024. And then let's go ahead and take a look through the house. We have a decent sized living room here. You can see the flooring. Nice dining area. We'll go ahead and do the main part of the house. We'll cruise over here, take a look at this kitchen. So, pretty kitchen. So you got your stove, your microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher. And this is where your washer dryer goes, right off the kitchen. We do have the cupboards above it, pantry right here. Come on over here. I know that water heater is new, but this is where your water heater is. Do have a door to the yard right here on the side. And electric panel. And back to the front door, just so you can kind of keep a bearing on where we are. We're going to cruise over in here to the primary bedroom. A nice sized bedroom here. Do have a walk-in closet. Bathroom has your shower, single sink, cupboards. Cruise over to the other side of the house. And you've got your other two bedrooms. Not very big on the bedrooms, but enough for a guest or a child. And this bathroom does have a tub shower combo, simple sink, and we'll cruise outside. Of course, there's no neighbors behind you on this one. You have 95 quite a ways back there. This is backyard. View of this kitchen area. I'll do a little bit of wrapping up. Again, we're at 6310 Alleghany Avenue. We're listed at $273,000. Built in 1990, square footage 1133, roof 2024, AC 2018, and water heater 2020. So those are kind of your big items. Again, a shout out to Yenyun Lee for allowing the video today. And this is Margaret Klein coming to you again from 6310 Alleghany Ave. Thanks, bye-bye.